In this video, I'm gonna share the mistakes I made when building my own 7-figure dropshipping business so you can avoid them and save time, energy, and money. Hey everyone, my name is Rihards and I'm an e-commerce expert with 10 years of experience. I started with no experience and built a 7-figure poster dropshipping business. It took me several years and I almost went bankrupt twice. This video is going to be about the 4 mistakes that slowed me down when it came to launching a profitable business. Mistake number 1, not being aware of seasonality. In the world of e-commerce, understanding seasonal trends is crucial. It took me 2 full years and a lot of data analytics to truly grasp the impact of seasonality on my business. Once I realized when is the hot season for my business, I could better prepare and increase the revenue with less effort. It's like the Pareto or 80-20 rule. Mistake number 2 was neglecting recurring revenue. I learned it the hard way that focusing solely on initial sales is a short-sighted approach. In my case, I was selling personalized posters, so there was not much I could do about it. There's simply so much space on the customer's walls. So me and my business partner simply sold the business. But if you're just starting out, you need to think about this up front. Which products and industry you choose and how you can bake in recurring revenue model in your business. Otherwise, you'll spend a lot of money and effort acquiring new customers just to never see them again after the first sale. Mistake number 3 was wasting too much effort. This was due to lack of experience and due to not knowing which direction to go. In the early stages, I wasted valuable time and resources by trying to custom code everything and take on complex projects without testing or researching enough. Instead, run small experiments, validate ideas quickly and test before diving into large-scale implementations. You can leverage the experience of others and learn from their success and failures. And by all means, avoid custom coding if it's not absolutely necessary. You can use off-the-shelf apps and solutions that are out there. And finally, mistake number 4 was getting too emotional about success or failure. Building a business can be an emotional roller coaster filled with highs and lows. It's important to celebrate small victories, but don't get too caught up in the heights. The same way, when facing plateaus or setbacks, it's crucial to push through and persevere. During the first and second year of my business, what kept me going was a small trickle of revenue and the undeniable proof that there was a market for my product. The challenge was finding a profitable way to scale it. Stay focused and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Those are the 4 mistakes I will try to avoid with the knowledge I have now. And in conclusion, here's my advice to anyone who's just starting out. Focus on recurring revenue and think in terms of customer lifetime value. Build your whole strategy around attracting an audience, building relationship with them, and keeping them as loyal customers. The next one is being strategic and not wasting your effort. Delegate where possible, run small experiments, and validate ideas before you invest too much time in it. The initial excitement when launching a new business can drain fast, so you need to get your first sales as soon as possible to keep that momentum. And finally, you need to get a mentor. Online or in real life, it doesn't matter. There's simply too much information and too many gurus out there. They'll pull you in all directions and you'll feel confused. You need a tailored strategy and a North Star to follow. So good luck with your business and don't forget to subscribe and like to see more videos like this.